Jose and I am a JavaScript developer and I am going to learn Rust programming language. I am going to document this journey of learning Rust. Let us see how we can install Rustlang. First we need to go to rustlang.org tools install and download. Let's install it. So as you can see we need Visual Studio C++ build tools. We need to give this. Now the installation is completed. Run cargo init. The files are generated. Open the editor. They have generated a main function with a print function to print hello world. I'm going to run cargo run. Hello world is being displayed. As a JavaScript developer, I need to test few things. So I am going to comment these two, save it, and run the code. It is definitely creating an error. That means or the initial point is function main and we need to include that. Next I am going to declare the variable let x is equal to 3 and I am going to run this. It does execute, but since x is unused they are asking us to prefix with underscore and it do run. So let me see what happens if I didn't give semicolon, because in JavaScript it is an optional thing. Definitely it is an error, so each statement should be ended with a semicolon. Next I am going to reassign x as 2 and then going to run it again. This is an error. They are telling it cannot be assigned twice. So that does that mean it can be assigned only once? Let me see. We have to tell that x is mutable here. Now let us print x directly and see. This is an error. So they have mentioned to do something like this. So let's try this. As you can see, the output is printed over here. We can write something like the val is. The value is 2 is printed. Now let us see what are the different data types that is allowed. Obviously, as you can see, here the number is allowed. Let's see, let y is equal to a, b, c, d. So string is allowed. Next, let set is equal to character is allowed. Next, let us give a is equal to true. Boolean is allowed. Next, let us see the floating point if it is allowed. Let b is equal to 4.6. Let us execute this and see. There is no error, only warning because these are not used again. Character is single quote and string is double quote. Now let us see how we can create a function. Let us compare JavaScript to Rust and C. So function add a comma b, return a plus b, and I am going to call let x is equal to add 2 comma 3. This has to go to error. As you can see, you need a type I32 bit integer I32 and the return type is also I32. Now let us try and run this. This is error. Next I'm going to remove semicolon and see. the value is 5. Alternatively, I think we can remove the return. Since this is not assigned to anything, it will act as return. As you can see here also, you get 5. I am stopping for today and we will definitely continue.